Are you looking for the best dig gutter guards? In this video, we will break down the top 3 dig gutter guards. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Raptor Gutter Guard. This stainless steel gutter guard posts a fine yet durable mesh that keeps even the smallest wind-blown seeds out of gutters. The durable micro-mesh cover can slip under the lower row of roof shingles, while the outer edge attaches to the gutter with screws for extra security. Raptor's V-Bend technology boosts filtering power and adds rigidity to the mesh, enabling it to withstand debris without sagging. The Raptor gutter cover fits standard 5-inch gutters and comes in easy-to-handle 5-foot strips with a total length of 48 feet. The screws and the nut driver socket needed to install the strips are included. This DIY gutter guard's essay to install. It offers different installation methods, including installing directly across the gutter, as well as under the roof shingles, depending on the situation. And aluminum gutter guard. The Eden aluminum gutter guard design is very similar, with a simple all-aluminum construction, though it fastens to the front of the gutter and rests on the back of the gutter instead of using screws on both sides. It does have nice tabs so that two pieces can fit together seamlessly without creating gaps. Eden aluminum gutter guard is easy to install, very easy to cut, affordable, and looks great. It doesn't come in the same range of colors. It is available for both 5-inch and 6-inch gutter widths and works with a wide range of gutter designs. It handled everything from rain to wind to snow without issue, and it doesn't allow any debris to clog up the gutter. FlexPoint Gutter Cover System. The FlexPoint Gutter Cover System offers enhanced protection from sagging and collapse, even under heavy leaf or snow accumulation. It's reinforced with raised ridges that run the length of the strip, featuring a lightweight, rust-proof aluminum build. The screen gutter guard has a subtle design that can't be seen from the ground. This reliable gutter guard attaches to the outer edge of the gutter with included screws. It snaps into place, so there's no need to slip it under the shingles. When you will install it, you require screws in the front and back of the gutter. This makes it extremely heavy-duty and stable. It won't come out on its own under any condition. And while it's very durable, it's not difficult to cut. It can't be seen from the ground, which is a huge plus for a heavy-duty guard. It will collect larger debris, which must be manually removed.